So we have like document library, almost it is covered with list. So we have different types of document libraries.
Okay.
And the document libraries generally we will use it for managing or storing the documents.
Okay.
And use content if it is there, then we'll use the documents.
Right. Right. Right.
So if you observe here, there are
Mm-hmm.
like type.
Right.
So see here, all the document libraries. Documents is the document library.
Right.
That anyhow we are using it currently.
Okay. This is already. This is a default one. That name.
Yes, default library is documents.
Okay. Okay. Form template. All are default.
Yeah, this I
Okay.
have created.
Okay. Okay.
Site assets is that this generally we will use it for code repository.
For that site assets.
Yes,
Okay.
I mean if you
Site.
observe like if there is any HTML JS files
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
library, then we'll manage it in site assets.
Okay. And style library, that is CSS. All the things.
These here we'll use it for some CSS
Okay.
fonts, these kind of things.
Okay.
But
Okay.
those things also will place in site assets only, because all the code repository related will place in one location.
Okay.
So mainly four are there. One is document, that is for Word document, Excel, PDF, PPT, those things.
Right.
Second is site asset, that is for code repository.
Right.
Okay, and the third one is site pages. Pages will be there.
Okay.
Pages means, I mean,
Pagination.
page,
Okay.
home.aspx. It's a
Okay.
page.
Okay. Right. Right.
So we have multiple types of pages that we will cover it today.
Okay.
But all the pages also it's a document, obviously.
Okay. So
Page,
we are covering today. It's a library, document
library,
library,
document.
and pages.
Yes.
Okay.
If time permits, we'll go for navigation also. Let us see.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
So there are four types of libraries. I mean, fourth one I didn't show you. Fourth
Mm-hmm.
one is just go to app. You can check picture library.
Okay.
Generally, we'll manage the pictures, whatever photos,
Yes. Yes.
those
Yes.
things will keep it in picture library.
Yeah.
But finally, the type is like see here library.
Right. Okay.
So it's a page library, picture library,
Yeah.
and site assets for document. It's library only, but it is generally we'll use it for code repository. And third one is final documents.
Yeah. And one more thing I want to know that first of all there is a default 3-4 type of libraries are there. Okay. So their icon are totally different
Yeah.
because of the that is default system defined. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where you are asking this left side?
Right. 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 Right.
No,
Yeah.
not default. I mean the icon for the let us observe this. I mean if you
Okay.
observe all the document libraries, this is the icon.
Yeah.
If it is list, this is the icon.
Oh.
Picture
Okay.
library
Okay.
is different.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Page is different.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
So document, site assets, picture library,
Right.
and pages, site pages. So these are the four types.
Right.
But technically, how you use it is same. I mean, look and feel, everything is same.
Okay, but a group, we
Yeah.
can divide it into a
Based
group.
on your requirement, you will.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it's like a template.
Right, right, right,
Example, I have a requirement for storing all the profiles in our organization. Then I'll
Mm-hmm.
go for picture library.
Right.
For example, I want to create multiple pages. Like, let us say we have a Office 365 e-learning program. So I'll
Right.
write article on list.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll maintain pages, multiple pages.
Right.
For example, I have to, as a developer, I have to maintain like some code related JS, jQuery, like
Right.
what. So if I want to maintain only documents like project requirement document,
Mm.
assumption, these will maintain in documents.
Okay. And
Okay.
coding that is we are stored within a site asset.
Right. Yeah.
And one more thing, style, something style library.
That we will use it for CSS
Right,
and
right.
font. Fonts are there
Yes.
nowadays. New font. Those things will
Yes.
keep it, but that comes under. I mean, generally in real time, we
Mm-hmm.
can keep it. That there is no issue with this. But
Okay.
my suggestion is, I mean, since we are maintaining in the we are maintaining in the site assets, right? All code
Right.
related. So we'll
Mm-hmm.
keep it in here only. I mean, one
Okay. Okay.
place to check it out for all the developers.
Right, right, right.
Is it clear? I mean, till now?
Yeah. Till
Oh,
now, clear.
okay. Let me take one library and
Yeah.
we'll see few features. I mean, whatever the library related features. I
Okay.
mean, I don't want to cover up, I mean, whatever we have done it for list.
Okay.
Because already list we have seen how to create column, those things we have done
Right,
it, right?
right. Okay.
Same thing
In
for list
document.
library also.
Okay, okay.
So that's why I'm not going to cover. So let me
Okay.
create a library. So how to create library? Just uh, let me come from the beginning. Click on site actions
Right,
చెప్పయ్యా
and click on site contents.
right,
One,
right. Just like that that one.
yeah. Click on new and
Right,
document.
right.
ఈయన ఆయా
Okay. Document library. Right.
I'll maintain the
అది ఇప్పుడు 35,000 ఉంది అంటున్నావు కదా, అది ఎంత తీసుకోవచ్చు? 30,000 వస్తాయా?
Administration.
అసలు ఎంతవరకు తీసుకోవాలా?
Okay.
I'll give it administration documents.
Okay, okay, okay.
ఎన్ని రోజులయ్యా?
Create.
Okay.
అదే
Okay, just like a list, we can add column. Okay, okay. Understood.
Yeah.
ఆహా.
So we'll see how to use it. Let me upload
అదే.
some libraries.
Right.
ఇప్పుడు
Like
అట్లా
let me
కాకుండా
upload some
ఇది
features.
ఫోటోను మనం ఓన్లీ ఆధార్ నెంబర్ ఏదో పెడితే వస్తుందండి
And
కదా?
I want to know one thing. After
Okay.
completing my that training,
Mhm.
after that, can we go for a that can it possible to work in a any live project?
Yeah, if you are interested, I mean, even I'll definitely, like we have a project.
Okay,
Generally, I do get some projects from outside.
okay, okay, okay.
If any
So I'm
interest,
interested.
yeah,
Yeah,
if you are interested, no, so I mean, after finishing the
yeah, yeah.
course, so
Yes.
I'll give some tasks based on the
Yeah,
project. You can work on live project. Like I
yeah,
have
yeah.
whatever I'm giving, no, so that is my
Mm-hmm.
current project actually.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm giving tasks, right? So I'm taking pictures from there only.
Okay, okay, okay.
So there is lots of work over there. Even if
Mm-hmm.
you're interested, you can work over there.
Yeah,
But
yeah, I'm
any
interested
project is
because
there, I'll definitely like. Even I need some like developers.
okay, okay. No, no, I will do. I'm
Yeah,
interested
we
for
will
that.
put on that part definitely.
Okay, yeah. First of all, I concentrate in my present thing, all the thing, understand all the thing clear. Then I will go for the
Sure.
live project.
Yeah. Okay. Then let me create some document.
Yes.
So this document is about some administration is like I'll make it like security related, whatever the.
Right. Okay. The document's name is security.
Yeah. So I can create multiple files or I can upload multiple, like maybe I'll take one file. I can drag and drop.
Okay.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Oh,
Are you getting
okay.
any disturbance?
Not an issue. I don't. It's fine.
1 second.
No problem.
క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా బాగా ఏం కాదులే కొంచెంసేపు ఏడవమాక ముందే క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత చెప్తా అప్పుడు ఏడు చెప్తా నువ్వు వస్తావా నా దగ్గరికి నా దగ్గర అసలు ఏడవద్దు సౌండ్ so I have uploaded one more document from my file system.
Right.
So if it is one or two documents, that is okay. But generally in any organization, if I go, then lakhs of records I use it to manage.
Right.
So by that situation, I mean, we have multiple options. One is like, for example, I want to maintain the files which is related to security.
Okay.
Then I'll segregate. I'll create folder called
Folder.
security.
Okay.
Then this I can just move.
Okay.
This
And
is up
that is
there.
easy to handle also.
Yeah. So tomorrow, if I need anything related to security, first I'll go to this folder.
Right.
Then I can check it out, whatever the things.
Right.
And I can manage multiple folders.
Okay.
Maybe if it is like
I think this is a good practice for because we create folder and we just document within a particular folder. So
this.
I think this is a good practice. I think so.
Yeah. So we'll manage within that.
Right.
Yeah. Some people, how they will do is like they will create a column maybe.
Okay.
Like for example, column name is category.
Right.
So I mean when I need to give the category also.
Right.
So maybe I'll upload file first, SPFX. Yeah, I'll give category. This one is
Okay.
SPFX.
Yeah. Whenever we search with that name, so we can easily find the.
Yeah, I mean, people how they will do is like they will group by.
Mhm. Okay.
I'll show that. See now it is. Two are there.
Okay.
I'll
Yes.
take one more. So if it is lots of content are there, then how
Right.
they will manage is they will just go to edit current view. They'll
Yes.
group by
Yeah.
based on category.
Yeah.
So it looks like see,
Unassigned.
I mean it is category is not there here. Actually, we didn't loaded the data.
Okay.
See here, I mean data we have mentioned for these three only.
Right.
So I have taken the category column, those based on the category
Mhm.
data.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, if I give it here, I mean, I'll get the group by.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
As
Understood.
of now, nothing is there, so unassigned.
Okay. Okay.
So there are like we can manage in different ways. So one is folder and category, those things. And the next one is there is check-in and check-out option is there. So thing is, I mean, how to what is check-in and check-out is.
Right.
What is, I mean, I'll just remove this view. Okay. So there is check-in and check-out. If you observe in our what is that .NET, like there is TFS is there, right?
Right. Right. Right.
So GitHub maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, as a developer, whenever I am working on that file, generally I will do checkout initially. Once my
Mhm.
work is done, then I'll go for check-in.
Okay.
Then the other people can edit the file. In the
Right.
same way, here we have option called checkout and check-in.
Okay.
See here, I mean, I have more unchecked.
What about that automate?
Automate is for flow. I mean, that is, I told you, right? Workflows are there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So we can create the flows and all, workflows.
Okay. Okay.
For example, if somebody edited this security.docx, then
Right.
immediately send email to the owner of this document.
Okay.
Automation.
Okay, that is that file edited by other person.
Yeah, if somebody was edited, then
Okay, okay.
yeah,
Mhm,
like
yes. Track the record. Tracking.
yes. I mean, I'm just giving the like
Example.
yes.
Yeah.
For example, if somebody deleted this document,
Yeah.
then we need to intimate to some owner of this
Right.
library, right? So we have to manage that through automation.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. And the next one is we have checkout. I just clicked on checkout.
Right.
Maybe you can, I'll just give you the link in your in the chat. Please try to open with your account.
Right. One second.
You will
Access
see
data.
it, I mean, online. Yeah, you are able to access the document.
No, no. Sorry, you don't have access.
No, you can you share your screen?
Please. Can you see my screen?
One second.
Oh, 1 second. I just stop.
Please try to refresh now.
I think not logged in here. Access required. You can see my screen, right?
Yes. No, try to like till Bench India, sites Bench India. Remove everything till
Okay.
after Bench India.
Yeah, then documents.
No, I'll just try to give you the full site URL.
Okay.
Try to open in Chrome.
Okay.
Getting same error.
No, no,
Can you
just
open in incognito window?
yes, open. Can you see my screen now?
No, the I'm seeing access denied page.
Okay, okay, 1 second.
I think you have to share entire desktop.
Yeah. Can you?
Yes. Okay.
So
Now you are able to see. Yeah. Go to library, which we have administration documents.
yeah, that library. Administrative
Yes.
documents. Right, right. Okay.
Then
Yeah.
click on security. Click on that. Yeah. Click on that folder.
Yeah, yeah.
No, security. Yeah, link. Click on that.
Yeah, I already clicked that particular. I
Can
think
you
hang.
refresh?
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. Yes. Security document. Can I open?
Yeah.
Okay, this is okay. Yes.
See that? Can you try to edit it?
Yeah.
Still loading. I mean,
Yeah, loading. Today net little bit slow
yeah.
because of the weather.
Yeah. Okay. Can you refresh once again?
Yeah.
Which browser you are using?
Mozilla.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can you try to edit something?
Right. Your privacy option. Just close. Can I
Yeah.
close it?
Close it.
Okay. I can't edit. Can I click on edit document?
Yeah. Edit in browser only.
Okay.
Sorry, Word cannot edit the document because currently checked out to someone else. That's what I
Oh,
want to show it to you.
okay, 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 okay.
Yeah. See
Okay.
now,
So whenever we check out the documents, then we can't access another people not access that document, right?
yes. Yeah.
Till now, till I think waiting for the check-in.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
See, the symbol for checked out is this arrow mark, down arrow mark. You are able to see my screen?
Right. Yes.
Okay. Now I'll just open the document.
Yeah.
I'll say work completed
Yes.
and it is saving. Once it is saved, I'll go back here and I'll do check-in. More check-in.
Yeah.
I can give comments also.
Right.
See now, I mean now just please try to edit it. Refresh and
Right.
share your screen.
Can you see my screen? Or yeah. So I
Yes.
can edit.
Yeah. The reason behind it is, I mean, somebody is checked out. That means he is working on that document.
Right. Right.
So you can do check
Okay.
out, check in, all those.
Okay. After completing my work, then it should be check-in, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So after that, whatever I input the things, then save. Where's the save?
Yeah, automatically it saves the
Okay, okay, okay.
yeah. Okay. One more thing. I mean, we have version history here. By default, we'll get version history.
Okay.
For example, in security, if I go to version history, see, I have done 4 times the updates. I can restore it, whatever, whenever I need. Even I can view.
Okay, okay. Okay.
So you'll get the version history also. That
Right.
is one feature. So these are the common things which we will use it for document library.
And list.
Yeah, list. I mean, anyhow, the you just add it. I mean, whenever it is, let us say I need column, then just
Right.
need to there and create the column,
Yeah.
and I can create the view based on the data. So that is
Right.
there. Anyhow, we have done it for list.
Right.
So all the settings, like if I want to change the title, then I'll just go to here, name,
Okay.
description, and navigation, deleting the library. All
Just
the
like a list, all the things are available.
yeah, many it is covering, but the purpose is like we'll manage it multiple documents.
Multiple documents.
Yeah, huge data. I mean, huge documents are there. Then we'll go for documents.
Okay.
Okay, we'll move to the next topic. That is pages. So let me open the pages library.
Like
Site contents, site pages.
new and pages.
We have, I mean, generally, I mean, link is just a link. I mean, it's hyperlink type of thing.
Okay.
3 we generally use it.
Okay. Can you please once again please show me the thing that pages where
Okay,
you select and settings then
okay. I'm in home page.
yeah
Click on site actions,
site action
site contents.
right
Just go to site pages.
where the site pages.
Oh, it's in the last.
Okay.
You're
Okay,
able to
okay.
see how it is.
Yeah.
You're not able to see the screen, site pages. In the down, exactly it is there.
One sec, one second.
Okay. I mean, till where exactly you're seeing, till where?
In that form template, HR documents, the library part, but in
You're able to see microfeed.
yes, microfeed, then
Then,
pictures. Then after that, I'm not able to see because
oh,
of that bar.
okay. I just deleted.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Microfeed.
After microfeed, you're not
No,
able to
no,
see.
no, no, no.
Okay. Okay. I mean, you just go to site contents right now.
Okay.
To Bench
Yes.
India, click on site contents. You will see the last option, site pages. Maybe I'll try to.
because of the
Yeah, see, no? I just made it as descending arrow.
yeah, site pages. Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Click on site pages.
Right.
So there are options. I mean, 4 are there.
Yeah.
99% we will use these 3.
Okay.
Wiki page, web part page, site page.
Site page.
So wiki page is for the purpose of content. You know, wiki is a
Yeah.
site.
Right.
So if it is content, like let us say the end user wants to say something about the article about corona.
Right.
So maybe precautions. So he will take the content.
Right.
Just click on wiki page.
Okay.
Let us give the corona. Is the page name.
Yes.
See here, I mean, once it is created, it is going to create in the site pages library. Corona space I gave it. So
Right.
precautions. Create. Whenever I create it, I mean, I'll get this box by default.
Okay. That content. You
Yeah.
can put the
Even you
content.
can share it like 2 columns.
Okay.
Text left is there, 3 columns based on your requirement.
Yeah. We
One.
can change the design also.
Yeah. I am showing no text layout,
Yeah.
header and
Yes.
footer. Those.
Right.
So let me go with 1 column. Very simple thing.
Yes.
And I can make it bold. Word related
Yes.
things I can do it.
Mhm.
I can apply colors.
Yeah. Just like a Word file.
Yes, but it is a page.
Yeah.
Even you can apply HTML also.
Okay.
There is a HTML file finally.
Yeah.
See,
Okay.
I'll show you. Maybe don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Clicking on edit source.
Okay.
So I'm getting here.
Okay.
It here like color red. Then click OK.
Okay.
See, I can write HTML code here also. Apply.
Right. Yes. Yes.
Even you can insert the picture. Let's go to insert.
Mhm.
You can go to picture from computer.
Yes.
Some hierarchy. Click OK. You can take it.
Okay.
And you can give the horizontal size and all.
Yeah. As per my requirement, I can manage everything.
Yes. It is basically, I mean, whatever the content it is there, then you can apply whatever. Even you can insert videos. See here, if you have videos,
Right.
some people they need some tables.
Okay.
I can write like first name, last name, contract. So it is, if we have a table, then we can manage that.
Okay.
So for example, I delete column, selected
Okay.
column. Yeah. So we can do whatever we want.
Yes.
And everything is finished, then go to page. I mean, while working, you just do checkout.
Yes.
Then no one can edit it.
Yeah.
You can, I mean, in between you can save it. If everything is okay, then move on to check-in.
Okay.
So everyone is able to view now.
Right.
If you have a permission, you can edit it now. But
Yeah.
even if you have a permission, if I am I mean, I am working on, and if I do check out, then you cannot able to edit it.
Right. And one more thing I want to know, that we can restrict the access also.
Yes, we can restrict it. That comes under permissions.
Yeah.
Mostly we will cover it on tomorrow. That permission
Okay.
part.
Okay.
So, for example, some people, I mean, it is not at all related to one department. Then
Right.
will that group itself we cannot. I mean, we cannot give you access to corona related updates.
Right.
So we can disable them. I mean, we can prevent access to those folder.
Right.
So this is one kind of page.
Okay.
And the second one
Wiki.
is,
That is this is a wiki page.
yeah, wiki page, and the second one is web part page. So in the web part also we have multiple templates. See here, only one row. I'll give,
Basically, when we are using this page,
yeah, for example, I have, I want to show, like, I mean, if I want to share some content, some people they will share it through pages.
right?
So, for example, I mean, there is some training was happening, and they want to share it about about the training. Like today, some training was happened in the organization.
Yes.
Then the today's training document, instead of document, I want to share it through pages.
Okay.
So
Training documents. Okay.
yeah, and the second case is like web part. Like we have multiple lists, right? Those are all the
Yes.
lists we can share it through pages. We can add the web, I mean, list and libraries in the page itself.
Okay. Okay.
I'll show it to you.
Okay.
This is the save location where exactly this page is going to save. So I'm giving site pages library.
Right.
Create. See now I'm just adding a web part.
Yes.
Apps I have right now employee info.
Yeah.
I'm just adding. See if the data is there, it shows to you.
Right.
Maybe I'll add one more employee details. Add. There's no records. HR documents. Till now, I mean, whatever the lists and libraries are there, I
Okay.
can add it in the page itself. Sometimes, I mean, we don't need to give access to the list and library because those are the backend data. I mean,
Right.
access to this location.
Yes.
So I don't want to give access to them. So I want to give only specific items. I'll create a view in the list.
Okay.
Let us see. Here is the edit web part.
Yes.
I'll give view. So I'll create a view only for those people. First, let me check if any data is there. So I'm just creating a view,
Right.
or I'll just edit it.
Edit view.
Title India I'm giving. Okay. So
Mhm.
see now, in employee info,
Right.
go to edit web part.
Yes.
I have selected all items.
Yeah.
Click OK. See, only India is there.
Yes.
I am not showing Pakistan today.
Right.
So I can restrict those things.
Okay. Within a web part page.
Yes. I mean, I can delete the web parts if I don't want it. Even for example, I'll just save it, stop editing it.
Right.
See, now it is happening. I don't want to show this employee info and employee details.
Right.
So I'll just go to edit page, edit web part.
Right.
There is Chrome type. Instead of default, just make it
Uh-huh.
okay. None.
Okay. Okay. What is Chrome type?
That means see now.
Oh.
The title
Okay.
is not displaying now.
Okay.
It is about the header part.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So there are multiple options in the web part section.
Okay.
See, I can, like as you said, like we can restrict to specific group of people only. For example,
Yes.
HR department is there. If I
Right.
give here target audience, like
Right. Right.
HR, it's a group. If
Mm-hmm.
if I give the group name, only
Yeah.
those group of members only can see this list. I mean the web part.
Right. That employee details one, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Other members cannot see.
Okay.
So these type of things we can do it. And one more thing,
Okay.
like we have multiple categories. These are all apps is out of the box features, whatever we have created.
Right.
So we have customized things.
Right.
Like if I want to add any HTML, JS, I mean coding part,
Right.
then I'll go for content editor web part and script editor. We will see that later, and I'm just showing it to you.
Okay. Okay. JavaScript.
Yeah, JavaScript, jQuery, those things. And the next one is site page.
Okay.
It's a modern page actually.
Okay.
Modern page means it is responsive.
Okay.
See, I'm just showing it to you. See, everything is look and feel is like,
Right. Responsive.
yeah. See, I mean, if I go to the previous page,
Right.
I mean, this is out of the box. See now, this is not responsive.
Right. So we can go with that modern one. Basically, normally used. Which
No,
one you?
modern is not there in the 13.
Okay.
I mean, this web part and wiki pages are available in the 13.
Okay, and 10.
10 is not 10. These two are there. 10 and 13 both are.
Okay. Okay.
These
Okay.
latest one.
Okay.
Just I'm just showing it to you.
Okay. And you are working in which version?
Sorry, come
You
again.
were, yeah. I want to know that you are working on which version?
I mean, right now I'm working on online. I mean, latest version
Okay.
19.
Okay.
So previously I have worked on 13, 10, and 2007 also I have worked on.
2007. Okay. And whatever your personal projects are there, that projects basically which version you follow?
I mean, actually I'm in SharePoint from long 2007 onwards. I was there.
Okay.
Almost I
Okay.
have 13, 14 years into SharePoint. So
Okay.
based on that, like till 20, I mean 2010, I was worked on 2007 version. Later
Okay.
moved to 2010, some 3 to 4 years. Then after
Okay.
13, I mean latest versions based on the year whenever they release, I just
Yeah.
moved to the project.
Okay. So your personal project also that 2019, that latest one.
Yeah, right now I mean I'm working for I told you right, I'm working for Sony. So the
Oh,
latest,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you are saying about the latest project which I am doing. Personal
Yeah.
project. Okay, those things are latest only online
Okay.
because
Okay.
customers are like they will look for the latest only.
Right. Look and feel also, it's a very important thing with features.
Yeah, it is customers requirement, so we
Right.
cannot do anything.
Yes.
Let us see. I mean, if it is, I'll provide you a few videos. I mean, based on the latest version.
Okay. No, first of all, I complete my existing one, then I will go for a latest one,
Okay,
I think.
sure. So you just need to publish it. Before that, you can add the web parts here.
Okay.
For example, I want to add a list. You just click on list.
Yes.
You can see all the lists here.
Okay.
Add employee info
Mm-hmm.
and publish it. So everything is responsive. By default, you will get the response.
Right.
We don't need to
Basically,
work
yeah.
externally.
Yes. This is a responsive page.
Yeah. But it is not there for 2013 version.
Okay.
13 mostly we as a developer we are going to work on web parts,
Okay.
web part pages.
Okay.
99% will work on web part pages.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it about the pages.
Yeah.
Any doubts or something? You can.
No.
Okay. So the record will be saved in the